Hello, my name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a nice sponge cake and I hope you... So here is the lovely cake as you can see, and now I'm just going to bite into it and enjoy this with a lovely cup of tea. Hope you enjoy making yours. Lovely. Enjoy it. If you do like the video, do give it a thumbs up and I'd love to hear from you, so do make some comments and I will reply to you. If you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the channel. It's free of charge and it just lets you see lovely videos every week. And do share it on social media with your friends. Right, so you want to line your tin with some greaseproof paper. So just cut it slightly larger than the dish itself. And press it down. And just kind of put your fingers into the creases. And you can either just fold it over or you can cut the excess off. Of course, you can just get some melted butter and grease the tin that way, or you can do it like this. It's up to you. And if you find it's quite bumpy, just give each little bumpy area a cut and then fold it over. And that's your cake tin ready. Right, now to cream your butter and sugar together, and a tip I have is to have a pot of hot water. Put your bowl onto your hot water just to heat the bowl up. And what this does is makes it easier for the butter to soften a little bit when you're beating it with the sugar. You don't want to melt the butter, you just want the bowl to get a little bit hot. And you do want to leave this butter out at room temperature for at least a couple of hours ideally, and then still put it into a hot bowl. And what you want to do is just add your sugar. Now if you want to do it by hand, you just get a wooden spoon and you beat this together, or you could use an electric whisk. So as you can see, it's nice and creamy, and it really does make a difference having your bowl hot. It doesn't melt the butter completely, but it makes it lovely and soft enough for it to work with. And when it's this consistency, you then add 2 eggs. Now just for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to do this by hand, so you haven't got the noise of the mixer. But you can use your electric whisk if you want. Add a little bit of egg at a time, and then give it a mix. And the kids love to help with making this. They'd love to eat the cake, and obviously the process of making it is a fun thing to do with them. Especially during the lockdown when the kids are bored. It keeps them occupied. I'm using 2 eggs in total here. This is my 3rd lot of eggs that I've added into it. Give it a good beat. Then with the last little bit of egg, you want to add a spoonful of your flour. Okay, then you want to add your flour, and it is best to sieve the flour. So just give it a light tap against your hand. Raise it fairly high. And then you want to fold this in. So kind of just bring your spoon around and fold the mixture. And you can give it a good beat. And then just fold it. And then you place that into your tin. It's very simple to make. Now I've just done a plain sponge, but you can do different ones, which we cover in a video another day. Just get a metal spoon to get the last bit out. And then you just smooth this around. Just push your mixture to the sides. the back of a metal spoon is the easiest. And then you place this in the oven for 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, I've taken this out of the oven. And as you can see, if it's starting to come away from the edges, that's usually the cake ready. Another way of testing to see if it's ready is just to put your knife in. And if it comes out clear, you know it's ready. So you simply just lift the cake out with the paper. Or if you have one of these tins, it's easy enough to just push that up. Turn it upside down. Take off your paper. And there you have a lovely cake. And what we're going to do is now decorate it with some icing sugar. So for every teaspoon, large heaped teaspoon of icing sugar, you want roughly a teaspoon of water. And then if you want to add a little bit of water on top of that, you can, if you want it a little bit thinner than this. But I love it nice and thick. But you can play about with it and just get it the consistency that you like. Then you're just going to pour it over your cake. And then spread it around with a knife. And over here, I've just got a little bit of white chocolate with vanilla and a bit of dark chocolate. And I'm mixing that together. And I'm going to put that on top of the cake. I've just got the glass bowl on top of a little bit of hot water in a pot. But you can put any chocolate you want. So we're just going to get a bit of this melted chocolate. And I'm going to make a bit of a pattern on our cake. But you can experiment and do what you like with it. You can put hundreds and thousands on it. You can put chocolate chips on it. You can do whatever you like. Have fun with the kids and experiment. And of course, as usual, I'd love to hear your comments on what you do with yours, how you choose to decorate it. And I've grated some of the white vanilla chocolate, and I'm just going to sprinkle that on the top. Just experiment and have fun. So here is the lovely cake, as you can see, and now I'm just going to bite into it and enjoy this with a lovely cup of tea. Hope you enjoy making yours. Lovely. Well, thank you for watching the video today with Lifestyle with Sharon on how to make a sponge cake. Hope you enjoyed it.